Hello everyone, welcome to the course Computer-Aided Structural Design with CSI ETABS, presented to you by the Structural Design Hub. In the first session, I will give you a brief introduction about the software. This course will consist of short video series to brief you all the aspects in CSI ETABS to design a structure. What is ETABS? ETABS is a finite element software developed by the Computer and Structures Incorporation. CSI company have developed many softwares like SAP 2000, CSI ETABS, CSI Call, CSI Safe, and etc. ETABS software is specially designed to design building structures. The software consists of features to model the structure, analyze the structures, and design structural elements, and finally to do the detailing. So the software provides a full backup to design your building structure, whether it is reinforced concrete, steel. Let's have a look on ETABS software interface. This is what appears when you open the software. Then you can open new model, or you have a already developed model, you can open it here. When you open a new model, the first model initialization window will appear. There you can choose the units and design standards. In this window, you can use settings from a model file which is previously developed, or you can use saved user default settings, or choose the settings from the drop down menus. Here you can select display units, region for default materials and section databases, steel design codes, and concrete design code. Then the next window will be new model quick templates. Here there are few options to initiate the model, like a blank grid only system or some predefined models. Here for grid only system, you can also define some basic grid spacing and number of grids and number of stories here. When you select the structural configuration here and click OK, ETABS working space appears here. First, I will brief you the simple procedure to develop a model, analyze and design the structure using ETABS. There I will discuss about all options available to follow each step. In the next session, we will discuss about developing grid lines, which is the first step of modeling procedure.